So this right here is where the rubber meets the road.
This is getting 100% out of your unit, not driving like Kapper.
We live in red clay country and it's hard to get off when it dries. And this will be the real test. Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it's Sunday afternoon and it's super windy, but it's like almost 60. So I was getting kind of bored in the house, so I figured I'd come and see if that SC1 actually works. So I let this buggy dry for like 4 or 5 days with the mud on it from that last ride. So today we're going to spray it off and I'll give you a final thumbs up or thumbs down on if that stuff seems to work or not. You can be the judge and decide. Alright, let's see how she sprays off. I'm not big on hand washing. Right off. I like it. Alright, take you for a spin here. Show you a little bit of before and after. You can see on the window that I didn't do them dirt spots are sticking, but on the rest of this it ain't. I like it. So this right here is where the rubber meets the road. This is red clay. We live in red clay country, and I'm going to tell you, it sticks and it's hard to get off when it dries. So it's been drying for 5 or 6 days now. So let's just take the hose to it. All I have is a garden hose, you know, with a nozzle on it. And this will be the real test right here. Let's see how that goes. So here's a quick teaser clip of an upcoming video. I got some new friends down here and they're into trail riding, which I plan to do, but my back was hurting on this particular day, which was just yesterday. So while I was actually spraying off my Polaris, these guys were out riding out in the back roads and stuff down in the county. So here's just a quick clip of that, so stay tuned. In the next few days the full riding video is going to come out and I think it's going to be fun.
This is getting 100% out of your unit, not driving like Kapper. This is getting 100% out of your unit, not driving like Kapper.
Let's go and air dry it for a little bit, shall we? Yeah, like I said, I'm getting bored. she's a little bit drier. Here's a quick after look. I can't complain, especially since I put that stuff on when it was like 40 degrees out. So it didn't set up nearly like I think it should. But hey, I'm happy with it. It's anything that makes the mud in that a little easier, I'm game for. Just, yeah, it might not keep all the mud off, but if it keeps half of it off, that's just a beautiful thing, I guess. So I'm trying to set up a trail ride somewhere. All right, you guys have a good evening and happy Monday or Tuesday whenever this posts. Definitely 2 thumbs up.